Alright. Lumikko taasingornerp ullaavaatiqilluaqqingitsi ittikilluaqqingitsiluu taasingornert nutaaq sapaatiakkunnertaaq qilernaanikua vikintimi eqqisisamаарnikuungut kisia ayuna. Here's the truth. It doesn't matter. If you slept bad on a Sunday morning, are you hear what I'm saying? How much does it make sense? It doesn't really make sense to me right now. If you relaxed the entire weekend, you're gonna have a really bad Monday. Let me tell you that. You're gonna have a bad Monday. So, I can work my ass off. Versus that you did nothing, or anything. Netflix and really did nothing. You relaxed. Sabat. See, this is where it gets confusing. I can work my ass off. Take no breaks. That I've been doing podcasts, that I've been doing vlogs. Frankly, it doesn't matter. You're gonna have a bad Monday. So, we're in third quarter. By now, you should have made your goals. You would have but by now you should be unstoppable. The purpose of life is to find your purpose in life. Podcast good. Subscribe at Apple Podcast, Stitcher Radio. You can always podcast and subscribe. I'm gonna push it really hard. Subscribe and sit. YouTube because go subscribe. We're only going up. We're only going up to the top. Facebook don't like us now. Det er motivation, inspiration. And be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like my Facebook page as well. UNC, everything is UNC. Instagram is good. I do some fun stuff there.